The Constitution provided for the unicameral legislatures, parliament, election to the Constituent Assembly, recognition of the Human Rights Commission as the constitutional organ. Originally, the appointment of the commander-in-chief, originally commander-in-chief by the prime ministers, and so on. Since the Constituent Assembly could not formulate a new constitution in time, the interim constitution was in effect for unexpectedly a longer term, exactly until that the 3rd Ashuz 2073, 2 years, when the present constitution was promulgated and the second Constituent Assembly was entirely covered into the legislative parliament. What understand? I think you don't understand anything. Will you? के कुरा बुझ्यो बुझ्दैन पनि what was there was this interim constitution, also there was promulgation or there is a formation task given for the Constituent Assembly election. There is a interim constitution gives the establishment of the CA, means that the unicameral. जब नेपालीमा बुझ्नु जब 2063 मा देशमा लोकतन्त्र आयो त्यसपछि के चाहियो त उसले कानुन व्यवस्थालाई विधिवत रूपमा उसलाई स्थापना गर्नुपर्ने थियो। त्यतिखेर के भयो, सरकार जित्यो, चुनाव गर्नुपर्ने थियो। चुनाव गर्नुभन्दा पहिला संविधानलाई मतलब कानुनलाई दह्रो बनाउनु थियो। कानुन दह्रो बनाउनलाई के गर्नु पर्यो, उसले चुनाव गराउनु पर्यो। अनि उसले युनिक्यामरल चाहिँ सीए इलेक्सन को सीए चाहिँ बोलायो and there was the 601 members. Yes, 601 member बनायो 601 अनि त्यो चाहिँ सबै के गर्नु पर्यो, जितेर आउनु पर्यो। त्यसमा चाहिँ के थियो भने election constituency was altogether in the first CA election. CA मा के थियो भने for the CA assembly, Constituent Assembly को लागि formations 240. I'm talking about the first CA election. 240 was the directly elected. It is the directly elected by the process of FPTP. बुझ्छ यो? First FPTP. First post the post भन्छ यसलाई कि हामीले भोट खसालेर त्यसपछि त्यो जित्ने प्रक्रियालाई FPTP भन्छ। बुझ्यो गुरु? And यसबाट 240 because there was the 240 election constituency was there. 240 निर्वाचन क्षेत्र थियो, त्यसले गर्दा यो के भयो 240 आयो। And 330 members was equally proportional. Equally proportional. So how many it becomes? 240 and 330. 240. This is the 570. Its members. But there is a need that the 601. Huh?
1121.
Yeah, mistake. 335.
75.
Yeah, 335 was the equal proportions, and there is a, now it is a, yes, 26 is that the nominated. Nominated means this become what's one? 601 members. In that is our Antirim constitution give that the part of the CA elections, and it was what's one? And CA the first CA elections after they established of that the single unicameral parliament, that is of CA assembly, constituent assembly, then they were fixed the time for the votes, right? And in the votes there is a, that the same is there the CA elections, and what was there? Your that is a CA elections. That was held 28th Chaitra, first CA election, 28th Chaitra 2064 BS.
18.
Huh?
18.
No, 28th Chaitra, 18 28 Chaitra 2064 को चैत 28 गते चाहिँ फर्स्ट सी इलेक्शन वाज हेल्ड. व्हाट वाज हेल्ड? फर्स्ट सी इलेक्शन. म यहाँ लेख्छु. धेरै यसको डाटाहरु याद राख्नु पर्छ. किनभने लाग्छ पढाइ धेरै सजिलो हो. इट्स नट. As you think it's not easy. Politics. What is that? I write here the first CA. CA means you know. Oh, hi. Constituent. Constituent Assembly. First Constituent Assembly CA election. Election was held on 28th Chaitra. Chaitra 64 BS. It was held on that the 28th Chaitra. मैले यसको यसलाई हाइलाइट गर्दा गर्ने डेटहरु है. पहिलो चाहिँ सी इलेक्सन चाहिँ यहिले भयो. And it was and then what it was run, and that the after the C elections that the first president Dr. Ramnath Yadav and the Prime Minister Pushkar Lahar, due to his activities he resigned, and after resignation Madhav Kumar Nepal become that the Prime Minister. He ran that the 17 months of the Prime Minister, the Prime Ministers, Madhav Kumar Nepal. When he just resignation, after that the 6 months, Jananath Khalan, and then after in the agreement that the Baburam Bhattacharya, he become that the Prime Ministers. But all the Prime Minister is due to fail to draft a new constitution. Though there was Ninambar Acharya, the chairperson for the draft committee of the constitution, but it was also failed. Then after in 2000s, what after there is a fail of the it was couldn't and time was given, it extending time also, where there is the then on 14th Jet 2069 BS that the legislature power is handed to that the Khilraj Rajni. And again, end of the first CA. And हामी के लेख्छौँ? Was under the
Time of first CA was in
IST first CA was ended. Short one. First CA चाहिँ यो दिनमा end भयो. And who handed there is a Dr. Baburam Bhattrai. कसले गर्यो त? Dr. Baburam. Bhattrai. यसले के गर्यो? एन्ड भयो यसको पालोमा. Then after on fourth Mangshir
2007.
Mangshir 2070 BS. Second CA. CA election was held. Second CA election was held. You भयो? And after this holding of that again, who become that the prime minister, you know? यो भएपछिको प्रधानमन्त्री बन्ने थाहा छ? सुशील कोइराला. या सुशील कोइराला बन्यो प्राइम मिनिस्टर. And then after KP Oli, yes, Prachanda also became that time. The तीनटे पालोमा के बन्यो? सरकार बन्यो. And after that is a third Ashok. हामी यहाँ अन्तिम कन्स्टिट्युसनमा त्यही कुरो छ. थर्ड Ashok 2072 BS that the Constitution of Nepal was promulgated. What is the Constitution of Nepal? The Constitution of Nepal was promulgated by first President Dr. Rambaran Yadav. Yeah, while promulgated that time that the Sushil Koirala was Prime Minister. This is yours. Same thing here that the third Ashok 2007 present promulgated, and that was third Ashok. It was promulgated. Total and the seventh generation of the constitution in our countries, that was the Constitution of Nepal. New Constitution of Nepal 2072. The Constitution of Nepal, name of the countries. Yeah. Here also, here there is the Constitution of Nepal was formulated according to the time, true mandate of the people. It was formulated by the people's elected constituent assemblies, and it is a historic documents that has institutionalized the democratic achievement of many public revolutions and movements. It was promulgated by, already said that, the Dr. Ramprasad Yadav, third source 2016 72 there is. It marked from formal and end of the transitional phase. Transition phase means that the transition phase and conclusion of the processes that had begun in 2063 from Antrim constitutions. So it has total that's about 35 parts. Yes, 308 article. Articles, and there is a 9 schedule there. Understood? These are the constitution of Nepal. Some features are there, major feature of the constitution of Nepal there is given. So you must know this one, formulated by the peoples, elected constituent assemblies, elected peoples. This means that the whom you choose, the people are draft and there is a formulate that constitution. Establishment of federalism in the country, federal state and secularism and republicanism. These are the one of the achievements. Formal end of regional class and the gender-related, racial and lingual discrimination. Multi-party, parliamentary democratic system of Nepal, multi-party, not one party. Yes, in some of the countries that's only few parties, just few. America's there is only 2 parties there, you know. No? Oh my God. Huh? America has only 2 parties. Democracy, Democrat and Socialist. Democrat means that the Congress there is a Democratic and Socialist. एउटा चाहिँ क्यापिटलहरूको एउटा चाहिँ वर्कर्सहरूको सोशलिस्ट भनेको समाज डेमोक्रेट दुईटा मात्रै पार्टी छ हाम्रोमा मोर देन 165 त्यो सानो पार्टी धेरै यसले प्रत्येक घरमा एउटा नेता छ each and every house you find that the one political cadres are there. You can imagine how many political parties are there in our country. Yeah. This is one. There is a multi-party system. There is a not one single. There is a multi-party. Restructuring of the state and decentralization of power. Power is decentralized. Open for that the amendment according to the needs of the nations. Open for amendment according to the needs of the people. Nations. What's the requirement of the nations? According to that can amend, that can state the change that it says. So you can now here is some of the exercises here in the page number 97, right? And in the first words here there are the constitutions and the people in power are promulgated. Means in that time who are in the power or who are the promulgators, that we have to identify. And that I told you, right? Up to question number 2, your homework 3 up to 3, yes. In our Nepal 2015, see that one. And the 4 number also you can. Why do you think were the main flaws of the constitution of 2047 years? False, flaws. of the constitution. Yeah. What that is about? Some power that was inherent in king. That was there the flaws. Main is that reason. Some power, state power inherent in the king. That was the one of the negative aspect of Constitution of Nepal 2047. What were the main active objective of the popular movement? Two. Main objective there is a announcement of the federal system. State power inherent in the people. Yes. 2, 3 you can write there. That's not a big answer. What were the main? Why do you know about the formulation of the present Constitution of Nepal? Learn from teachers, constitution experts, library books, etc. Like here, what do you think about the formulation of the present Constitution of Nepal? What do you know about this one? That they are right. The present Constitution of Nepal was valued the popular wish how it's valued. Where that the talking about the third shows, half of the population was against it, and still in the every years some people celebrate the Constitution Day, but most of them, what's the reason? It's a black day, because will and wish of the people of the Tarai people do not. Their wishes, it's not the mention in the Constitution. That this is the present Constitution of Nepal. That one. What would happen if there were no rules for your school? If there are no rules, then what will? All become wild. Does it or not? That the law and the rules make that the discipline. If there is no rules, then there is undiscipline. There is right now due to this is a pandemic situation, COVID-19. Right now some certain rules we apply here, right? One who don't like to come, one who doesn't, no force is there. Either they like, come. If they don't like, don't come. I know.